In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML hover graphics in BigCommerce. By the end, you'll have sleek hover effects like image swaps, overlays, and subtle animations up and running without touching your theme files. We'll use a third-party widget designed for BigCommerce, such as Common Ninja's image hover effects. The idea is simple. Build the effect in the widget, copy the embed code it generates, and paste that code into your store using Page Builder or the HTML section of a page or product description. Start by opening the widget builder and choosing the effect style you want. You can add overlay text for quick captions or calls to action, change the image on hover for before and after reveals, and fine-tune animations, including duration and easing for a smooth feel. Adjust sizing, spacing, corner radius, and shadows to match your brand. Set your colors and typography, and if you're linking the image to another page, add the URL and decide whether it opens in a new tab. Don't forget accessibility. Include descriptive alt text and maintain good contrast for overlay text so it's readable. On mobile, consider how the effect behaves on tap, and use any available mobile options in the widget. When you're happy with the preview, copy the embed code the widget provides. It's typically a small snippet, often a script or iframe, that you'll paste into BigCommerce. Now head to your BigCommerce store. If you're using Page Builder, add a custom HTML or code block wherever you want the effect to appear, then paste the embed code into that block. If you're adding it on a product page or a content page, switch to the HTML view of the editor and paste the code there. Save your changes and preview the page. You should see the hover effect live immediately, with no theme editing required. A few quick tips to keep things polished. Place the code inside a container that matches your layout so alignment looks intentional. Use images that are the same dimensions to avoid shifting on hover, and test on both desktop and mobile for responsiveness. If you don't see the effect, make sure you paste it into an actual HTML block and not the visual editor. Clear your cache, and confirm that your store and the widget are both loading over HTTPS. Also, avoid pasting the same script snippet multiple times on the same page to prevent conflicts. That's all there is to it. Configure your hover effect, copy the embed code, and paste it into your custom HTML area in BigCommerce. Try a few variations to see what fits your brand best, and enjoy the extra polish on your product images and content.